All right, so today's episode of Roadkill, just kidding, but we're taking this truck and we're going to try to get it out, get it running. It's been sitting for 10 years. Buddy of mine's going to try to make some use for it on his property. It's basically an F-250 was running and driving before it got parked there. And so now I'm going to see, after 10 years of it sitting like this, if I can make it running and driving again and get it loaded up and get it over to his house so he can finish it off. So enjoy. What's up? What's up, baby? Hey, baby.
Wow.
Hello, hello. All right, and then I got my buddy Aaron over here. So, all right, stay tuned.
Well, let's see if they tore it up. Oh, we got a snake skin. Little rat snake. It's not too big a deal. But definitely has some. Definitely had some rodents living in here. We had some ants. We had an ant hill up here. Yeah, they have. Look at it, dude. I mean, they've got. Most likely, we've got some chewed wires. I mean, we have just a super highway. I mean, they have made an apartment complex here. I mean, look at this.
I mean, it doesn't look like the wires are too awful.
I mean, they might not be. You know, they might have just made a little highway. Definitely a fire hazard. Need a fire extinguisher. Got snakes. The snake might have taken care of the rodents. You know, that's our hope.
Well, I mean,
look, it's down there.
yeah, but the wires themselves, I don't see any obvious. I mean, obviously they probably got to something. What is this? This is a branch. I thought that was a wire.
I mean, they went to town. They went to town. That's the whole thing.
Dude, they really did have an apartment.
Yeah, I mean, they
complex
took
for
the
rats.
entire top, remodeled. You know, they threw it down here. We got ants, snakes, and rodents.
I feel optimistic this is going to start, dude.
Oh yeah.
With fuel and stuff.
Yeah.
I don't see anything
sure
egregiously.
Yeah, we just need to hit. There's a big air compressor.
probably
Get all
gonna
this
have a fire
nastiness
burst,
out.
but
Yeah,
it's
it'll definitely catch on fire in a couple seconds. Should have brought the extinguisher.
I've got one. I've got a couple. You're supposed to bring the ones you've got.
Oh yeah, I need to bring those over. Forgot. I've got all of them.
Damn, look at that snake skin.
Yeah.
So that's a big old sucker.
Frame though, you know, might take care of some business.
All right, here's what we're dealing with. Sitting for over 10 years, not been cranked or anything. It was running and driving one beforehand. So let's go find the keys. See, it's got the extra lugs on the back. It's got the bigger axles and stuff. All right, let's go. We got trusty Milwaukee hooked up with the original dead battery.
Fire hazard. No fire extinguisher in sight. No water hose in sight. Oh yeah, we got a knock.
Working.
Yeah. I wonder if the knock will go away. We didn't check the oil.
Yeah.
Check the oil real quick. But
It was loose before. So
Yeah,
it's not
yeah.
new. It cleared up though once it got
let's see what we got here.
It's got oil. Okay.
Got
Yeah,
oil,
well,
got
no
oil.
water in the oil. All right.
That's good.
Oil actually looks decent.
That's crazy.
So it's gonna run. Right, just cranked right then. Now the question is, can we get it into
Gear.
gear? I don't know what's locking it out right now.
Yeah, I don't know. That's strange.
It fired up right away.
I wonder if it's like, did these keys have, I wonder if they had like a little chip in the key.
I don't think these Fords had that.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty old. You'd think maybe it wouldn't, but I don't know. She smells lovely.
Well,
It
but
smells.
why would this work and then that?
Yeah,
it
strange.
wouldn't run, you know?
Yeah.
I feel like something else is.
I almost wonder, even though that key's cranking it, I wonder if it's just old and worn or, I don't know. Well, no, the column's spinning.
I think
It
it's
should
something
be.
with this latch mechanism.
Yeah, I don't know. Strange. Yeah. What the hell was that?
Hitting the brakes.
Oh.
Go ahead and blow an injector in there. It's fuel.
She's locked up.
I hope not. Maybe just because this is.
Yeah, a little battery thing.
It's still full.
Yeah, it's really strange.
Turned over.
Maybe there's a wiring thing, but I don't know. It's strange that it's not. Look at that. Look at all the voltage.
You're showing low.
Or now they're just going crazy. I wonder if there's a short in something.
Yeah.
Look, I mean, we're showing 90 miles an hour and
Yeah. But they'll do that too when the battery's really low.
yeah.
I think it's just lost juice, probably. If it's so short, it was just
Yeah.
not working. I wouldn't think.
That's strange. It won't go into freaking neutral.
This turns. I wonder if this will turn with any key. Let me just see. if that's the problem.
Yeah.
See, it won't even move unless that key's in there.
Yeah. 'Cause I just don't even know what that key would have gone to if it wasn't this.
Alright, so we lost everything.
Yeah.
Got her neutral, so I had to go underneath, disconnect the trans. It started, but then it died. It's got a short somewhere, probably from something chewing through something. So anyway, we're gonna get it hauled up and get it over here.